Hello, I'm Beth.
And I'm Neil. And this is Real Easy English, the podcast with real conversations in easy English to help you learn.
If you want to read along with this podcast, you can find a text version on our website. Visit bbclearningenglish.com.
Hi, Beth. How are things this week?
Things are good, Neil. How are you?
I'm very well, thank you very much. Today, we're talking all about cooking. We'll talk about what we like to cook, as well as our favourite recipes.
Recipes. Can you explain the word recipes, Neil?
Yes, a recipe is a list of instructions for how to make certain types of food.
Okay, great. Let's get started then. So, Neil, do you enjoy cooking?
Yes, I do enjoy cooking. When I cook, I find it relaxing. How about you?
Yeah, I'm the same. I cook quite a lot, but I really enjoy it when I can be in the kitchen with music or a podcast on and really relax and spend time making food.
What's your favourite thing to make?
I quite like making stir fries because they're quick and easy. There's lots of different ingredients and flavours you can use. But I also quite like cooking fish. I've got some good fish recipes.
Ah, okay.
What about you?
I like to cook a roast dinner.
Very British.
Yes, on a Sunday. Let me tell you how to do roast chicken.
Okay, give me the recipe.
Okay. Take a chicken and put garlic and rosemary and lemons inside. Then boil some potatoes, not too long, and put everything in the oven and roast it with some vegetables for about an hour and 15 minutes.
Sounds really good.
Okay, Beth, I want to hear about your fish recipe.
Well, there's one I like which is with cod. So you put the cod in a pan with stock, creme fraiche, and tarragon. That's it. It's really simple. There's only 4 ingredients, but it tastes really delicious.
Sounds amazing.
How does your chicken recipe taste, Neil?
It tastes fantastic, I have to say. I think especially because of the gravy. And the gravy is a sauce made from all of the juices from the chicken and the vegetables.
I love gravy. I use gravy on my bangers and mash.
Bangers and mash. What's that?
Bangers and mash is another British recipe, which is sausages and mashed potato. The sausages are the bangers and the mash is the mashed potato.
I can almost smell it.
I know, I'm getting hungry. Let's look at the language we learnt during the conversation. We had recipe, the instructions for cooking a particular food or meal.
Taste, which we use to describe the food we eat. For example, my chicken tastes amazing.
And Neil, you gave me instructions on how to make that delicious roast chicken, and you used the imperative. You said, put lemon, garlic, and herbs in the chicken, boil the potatoes, but not for too long, and add them to the dish.
That's it for this episode of Real Easy English. For more on the imperative and other grammar tips, try our podcast, Learning English Grammar. You can find it on your podcast app or by visiting our website, bbclearningenglish.com.
Next time, we'll talk more about our families and the jobs they do.
See you then. Goodbye.
Bye.